The planet's at first drugs intended to halt carcinoma cells, proper persistent to treat, could be accessible during the following 10 years, scientists include told. A £75 invest to evolve the drugs has been announced by the Institution for Carcinoma Study, ICR. Head Execution Professor Gender Working told carcinoma's capacity to adjust to drugs is the largest problem in treat. The new drugs could do carcinoma a obedient illness in the length period and more than frequently treatable, he told. Researchers say current treatments such as chemo occasionally failure since the deadliest carcinoma cells adjust and pull through, challenging the patient to recurrence. Professor Working told, carcinoma's capacity to adjust, develop and be narcotic persistent was the reason of the extensive most of deaths of the illness and the largest problem we person in overcome it. He told the institution was change the whole way we believe on carcinoma to attention on leading the way carcinoma cells will develop to hinder them of proper persistent to drugs. The ICR urged to draw a future £15 of financing for its new Centre for Narcotic opening at its college campus in Sutton, southward London, that is designed to give along nearly 300 scientists of various fields. Scientists aim to use new approaches consisting multi-drug conjunction treatments and synthetic intellect to forecast and impact the evolutionary of carcinoma cells, creation weaknesses how treatments can utilize. Dr. Andrea Soto-Riva, Vice CEO of Carcinoma Evolutionary in the new center, told, synthetic intellect and mathematics forecast methods include enormous capacity to get within carcinoma's chief and forecast which it is departure to do following and how it will answer to new treatments. Researchers are already work on new drugs intended to halt a kind of fiber molecular named apobec, that is portion of the immunity framework stolen by more than rather than part of carcinoma types to rate up the evolutionary of narcotic impedance. Professor Working told lab test and clinic testing for the new drugs would get about 10 year up they could potential be accessible for patients. He added, we solidly trust how, in future study, we can discover ways to do carcinoma a obedient illness in the length period and one how is more than frequently treatable, so patients can dwell much longer and in a superior quality assurance of lifetime.